So hi guys, my name is Prudhvi, and the reason why I'm taking this video is to explain to you guys like what I've built for YourDOST and its services. So while doing my research about YourDOST and all the services you are providing, I noticed one thing that users come to you to solve their mental illness problems. So after resolving their problems, the users are dropping off a lot. So to bridge the gap between dropping off users and your those services, I created something named CareLoop. So let me jump into the MVP that I've built for you guys. So I named it as CareLoop, but we can change it, anything that you guys want. So when it comes to the opening screen, the one thing that will attract you first is this red thing. What is this red thing? So I know your those provides 24 by 7 services for people, and it's a great initiative that took by you guys. I appreciate it so well. So why I built this button? So let me take you into a scenario like there's a person who is under tremendous pressure and he's been into depression for a lot of days. So he got an anxiety attack at 1 a.m. in the midnight. So he opens the app and he should select the appointment. He should select his preferred psychologist or specialist in that field. So after booking, he have to wait for around 30 seconds. So to automate all these things, I've created that single button. So if the user clicks on this button, it automates the thing. So what happens if any user click on that button is, so what it do is it will go to the list of the philosophers who are available at that time. So it will sort out and it will give the top ranking philosophers, like I don't know how you guys rank them, but it will rank the available people and send an immediate notification to him like, hey, this guy booked a session with you. It's an important session, so you need to attend it. So it's I just automated the thing that you guys been doing. I'm not saying that you guys are sufficient, but it's a small initiative that we should take. It can be a small thing for us, but it's going to be a big thing for many people. So you guys can know that in every 10 people of a group there will be eight depressed persons, and in those eight depressed persons there will be two or three with suicidal thoughts also. So in order to solve those all those problems, I just automated the simple thing. As I said earlier, it's a simple thing for us, but maybe it can be a big thing for many people. We don't know. We should take an initiative to be the change. So you can also remove by clicking it here. So this is the opening interface. It says the username, and here you can also select your personas. So I observed that you guys offering services to all these people, so student, employee, teacher, and guest. So with by selecting this persona, our AI and all the interface will be changing towards the persona. If you click on student, all things will be turned into a student thing. If you click on employees, it will go into the employee things and all. So here I'm clicking student. So yeah, just and it says daily check-ins and how are you feeling right now. It's a simple thing. And after that, I added this streak thing. The reason why I add this strict things is, people are evolving day by day, and they are very good at showing off in social media and all things. For example, you take Snapchat. Many people use Snapchat to gain streaks, right? So they can, what they are like is they are flexing off their Snapchat streak score. So we can also keep a strict score here also. So what happens is user can use it and they can show off their streaks in, hey, I'm using this thing and I think I'm mentally okay. Like that they can also show off. And I've also included this could be like if the number of users are and it calculates like how many times that user have logged into app. So if you log in like 4 to 5 times, it is good, and if you log in 1 or 2 times means it's okay, and if it doesn't log in means it's we can consider as normal or bad. No, we should not say bad, we should consider it as normal then. And I've also included these small exercises like, and I named them as micro wellness. So after clicking here, it will take us to chat. So it's so no APIs are yet no, configured. So I just feed the data with the demo data. So it will ask what's your mood, happy, okay, stressed, anxious, or low. So I'll select low and gives a reply. So, and how is your energy level today? I say low. It says thank you for sharing. Lastly, how stressed do you feel right now? This is an important question that everyone needs to answer. No one can skip this question. Hi. It sounds like today has its own challenges. So in here we selected student persona, right? So it's gonna give answers regarding to the student persona. If you select employee persona, so every messages will be feeded as are you feeding to a employee or a working professional. I said yes, yes. I hear you. Many students feel way this way like. So the reason why it's giving related content related to students is I selected that user persona student. So this data is not generated by AI, it's an inbuilt demo data. So I have not configured any API key yet. Sorry. And in this way, we can use AI to increase the traction of users. So I'm not gonna say that AI is gonna take place of physical people, but if we use AI means it will increase the brand value and user interaction with the platform. So after when we click on wellness, it will show this infrastructure of build. So it's nothing but small exercises. If you want calm, if you click on calm, it will show some exercises. If you want focus, it will show some exercises related to how to be focused right now. And when it comes to body, it will show something like this. And when it comes to mind, it's something like this. So we're gonna try one exercise today. I'll take 1 minute breathing. So what it do is it's a normal thing. I know there are many apps in Play Store by having these kind of things. So and many people are using also many apps. So what if we can also integrate these features in YourDOST app? It can increase the user engage and our brand value will increase. So let's start the session. It says like so you have to inhale for a few seconds. Like it'll clear all the thoughts. So it says hold the breath for few seconds and it says exhale. You can also see the interface changing according to the rules, right? So in this way users can engage with the platform and users can spend many much time with our platform. So there are exercises inbuilt. No, these are not fully function. I've just kept it as a demo data. And when it comes to stats, here we can track the users activities in our app. So sorry, and we can track the usage, how much time he's spending and how well he's being used by the app or the data the data thing. So in the weekly mood trend we can we can track here like how many times he's logging in app and what's his score of using the app. Score 4 means he's okay, he's doing very well and he's opening app like 4 times a day. And if the score is 2 and he's like opening only 2 times a day, and here you can have 5, like that means he is opening the app and using the activities like 5 days 5 sorry 5 times in a day. And after that I've kept something like a positive pattern. So this is like just a a small compliment for using our app. It can build trust. So when it comes to a product, the main thing that people and we believe is trust. If people trust our product will go into the market deeply. So these small things and small initiatives can bring a lot big change to a product or to an organization. And after that sorry, and I've also kept like mood distribution. So this can be calculated by the chat that user is chatting with our AI. So if he's happy, the happy score will be high, and if he's okay, it says okay. And if the engagement with the chat is low, it says low. Like this, we can calculate the thing. Yeah, I think these are the futures I've planned to implement in your dose also. I know these are all small things, but maybe we don't know. It can also bring big changes in the society or people. Even if these features are used by two people who are anxious or who are in depression, I win. Like I've helped somebody. Like this, we can. It's a small thing. So I hope CareLoop works for you, and thank you for listening to my project. And I hope I hear from you guys. Thank you.